Do you have an error preventing the AutoRun library DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. As we look at the manual steps for AutoRun library, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the AutoRun library. This library governs Windows AutoPlay and AutoRun behavior for removable media, including USB drives and optical disks. It parses autorun.inf instructions and coordinates shell responses, such as launch prompts or automatic folder opening. When damaged or disabled, users may notice that removable media no longer auto-launches. In some cases, corruption is associated with remnants of older autorun-based malware, where antivirus removal left behind incomplete shell hooks. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This problem points to a breach in your Windows system files. Use the System File Checker by entering sfc/scan now into an elevated command prompt, which will allow the OS to verify and restore the authentic version of AutoRun library DLL. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including AutoRun library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. It is important to avoid manual installation of AutoRun library DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If missing library references are a concern, the suggested resource below provides general system maintenance information. If you've regained access to AutoRun library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.